Good afternoon, and I'd like to talk to you about the anatomy of a trade. You do your homework, you do your analysis, you come up with the idea you want to be long or short in certain areas. How do you put that trade on? And I believe that if you focus on what really drives the market, which is volume, it's not price activity. Obviously volume is included in price, but if you can track and see if the market, the internal dynamics of the market are buying, or net selling, I think it really gives you an edge when you come in and you trade. This morning on the E-mini we came in, we wanted to be a buyer at 2050, 2052, this area right here. This was our buy, and our sells really started at 65 upwards to 75, where we were interested in getting short just based on the market structure. And they ran the market down, and it was selling before the day session opens. So right here is our opening, and we do trade before the day session opens. We get some really good trades. Since September, one of the trades that we work these days is a V top or a V bottom right here, and in this case this would be a V bottom, not a V top. And our criteria is the idea is to be long at 2050, 2052, that's our level, with deceleration. And you can see right here that we've got deceleration in the form of our diamond or square indicator, which tells us that the selling at that moment in time has dried up. Now, idea level, deceleration. What else can we bring to bear on the trading situation? Well, the market turns usually come on this pane number 3 of our F6 screen, and you can see right here that at 9:06 that bar went blue, and that tells you that the tick volume, the cumulative tick volume, is going to the buy side, and that's the first place that you usually will see the market turn. This screen right here tells us which different volume categories are in the market, and you can see right here at 9:06, 20 lot or less, the 50 lot to 20 lot player, and the 100 to 50 lot player are all long. So the volume is all going to the long side on this screen at the same time. This chart right here we use, and the studies that we use in pane number 2 and pane number 3 are moving averages of the delta between the buy and sell volume. And on the 909 bar, which is this bar right there, close of that particular bar, the delta, the moving average of the delta, goes green, or that tells you that you can be a buyer. So the trade entry off of a V bottom is a buy stop when you take out that bar's high, and you can see that you never really ever were pressured. And the first sign that we get down here in pane 2 on that bar was that there was net buying in that bar, and we can see it on this pane, and we can see it on these 3 panes. And we can see it on the second bar right here that the moving average goes long of the deltas. We also still have buying on the second bar on the 50 lots or less, and you can see that the tick volume is still going to the buy side, and we've got net buying on pane number 2. So we buy stop in the market, and the feedback we get when we enter the market right here is that we have buyers with us. That bar is blue. And you can see that the net cumulative selling, you see that some of the shorts begin to cover right there. And you can also see that in our third bar that we've got buyers, that we've got buyers, and that we've got buyers right here. So you can really bring a lot of insights into the market when you start looking at the dynamic that actually drives and runs the market. And that's volume. Is the volume going to the buy side or to the sell side? And that can really help improve your trading. If you'd like to know more about this and more about what our software can do for you, we invite you to come to our website for a 5-day free trial offer where we'll go over the trade setups. We take 3, sometimes 5 trades live during the day, mostly in the E-mini. And you'll get to see how we operate live real time, which is about as open as you can get on any of this. Contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com to sign up for your 5-day free trial offer. If you want to do it faster than that, you can call us at 312-361-3895. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer, where we can go over how to use volume to improve your trading results. Looking forward to seeing you in our room in the not too distant future.